New RM-7201 automatic winding lifestyle flyback chronograph watch. In-house caliber CRMC1. Scrutinize movement with automatic bidirectional winding and hours, minutes, small seconds, date, flyback, chronograph functions, indicator and stop seconds. Base plate and bridges in grade 5 titanium. The base plate and bridges are crafted in grade 5 titanium, a biocompatible, highly corrosion resistant, and remarkably rigid alloy, ensuring the gear train functions smoothly. The alloy is 90% titanium, 6% aluminium, and 4% vanadium. Movement characteristics are movement dimension is 29.10 by 31.25 mm. Thickness is 6.05 mm. Number of joules 39. Balance field cube. Forearms 4 setting weights. Moment of inertia 7.5 mg/cm square. Angle of lift is 50 degree. Frequency 28,800 vph, approximate 4 Hz. Belly spring AK3. Shock protection in Kevlar 908.22.211.100 transparent. Movement microblasted and hand polished. Chamfering for bridges. Microblasted milled sections, microblasted and hand polished sinks for the bridges. Electroplasma treatment for the base plate and bridges. Steel parts, satin, brushed surfaces, hand polished chamfered edges, hand polished sinks and drawn edges. Wheels diamond polish sinks, diamond polish angles, circular finish faces, and radium plating before cutting the teeth. Richard Mille RM-0704 automatic winding sport watch with caliber CRMA8 scrutinized automatic winding movement with hours, minutes and function selector. Power reservoir is around 50 hours. Movement characteristics are movement dimension 29.90 by 22.00 mm. Thickness is 5.1 mm. Joules 27. Balance cube. Forearms 4 setting weights. Moment of inertia 7.5 mg/cm square. Angle of lift is 50 degree. Frequency 28,800 vph, 4 Hz. Balance spring is AK3. Shock protections in Kevlar 908.22.211.100 transparent. Movement anglage hand polished microblasted milled section. Microblasted sinks, blank DLC treatment for base plate and bridges. Steel parts are satin finished surfaces, anglage hand polished beveling, hand polished locking section. Wheels concave chamfering with a diamond tool, diamond polished angles, circular finish faces, radium plating before cutting the teeth. Minimal corrections applied to the wheels in order to preserve geometry and performance. RM-7401 automatic winding tourbillon watch. In-house caliber CRMT6. Scrutinized automatic winding tourbillon movement with hours, minutes and variable geometry rotor. Base plate and bridges made of grade 5 titanium. The base plate and bridges of RM-7401 are crafted of grade 5 titanium and biocompatible, highly corrosion resistant and remarkably rigid alloy, which enables the gear train to function effortlessly. The alloy is 90% grade 5 titanium, 6% aluminium and 4% vanadium. This combination further increases the material's mechanical properties, which explain its frequent use in the aerospace and automotive industries. Variable geometry router. The RM-7401 uses variable geometry to optimize the router's winding motion. Router specifications are heavy outside edge and heavy edge ring in 18K white gold. Weight segment in platinum. Automatic one-way winding system in ceramic with ball bearing. Bidirectional winding system. Movement characteristics are movement dimension is 30.70 by 23.70 mm. Thickness is 6.2 mm. Number of jewels 23. Balance cube 4 arms 4 setting weights. Momentum ratio of 7.5 mg cm square. 50 degree angle of drift. Frequency is 28,800 vph. Approximate 4 Hz. Balance spring AK3. Shock protections in cable lock 908.22.211.100 transparent.